Look up at the night sky. Imagine not one glowing orb, but two twin moons dancing in the heavens, pulling on our oceans, shaping our world. How different would life be on Earth if we had not one moon but two? First, the tides. Our moon already controls the rise and fall of the oceans. Add another, and the effect would be magnified. Tides would be higher, stronger, more unpredictable. Coastlines as we know them might not exist. Entire cities could never have been built near the sea. Human civilization itself would have developed differently, forced inland by the power of double tides. But it wouldn't just be the oceans. Two moons pulling on Earth would stretch and squeeze the planet, creating constant seismic stress, more earthquakes, more volcanoes, a world always trembling under the weight of its twin satellites. Now picture the sky. Nights wouldn't be dark and peaceful, they'd be alive with shifting light. Two moons rising and setting, sometimes together, sometimes apart, sometimes eclipsing one another. Imagine the beauty of a lunar eclipse, not one, but two shadows dancing across the night. For ancient civilizations, two moons would have been more than wonder. They would have been gods, shaping myths, religions, and calendars in ways we can hardly imagine. And what about life itself? Our moon stabilizes Earth's tilt, keeping our seasons steady. Add another moon, and that balance could be thrown into chaos. Winters harsher, summers longer, climates shifting wildly over centuries. Evolution would have taken a different path. Perhaps humanity itself might never have risen, or, if it did, it would live in a world of constant adaptation, survival against a sky that never stayed the same. But let's dream bigger. Two moons mean twice the opportunity for exploration. Imagine history. Ancient astronomers not mapping one glowing sphere, but two. The space race of the 20th century wouldn't be about reaching the moon, it would be about which moon to conquer first. By now, humanity might have colonies on both, twin cities orbiting Earth, to stepping stones into the stars. Yet, two moons could also mean danger. Gravity is not gentle, it's a war of pulls and balances. If the moons drifted too close to each other, their orbits could destabilize. One might crash into Earth, unleashing apocalyptic fire. Or they could collide with each other, shattering into rings of rock and dust, turning Earth into a miniature Saturn. Beautiful, yes, but deadly. And think of culture. One moon has inspired songs, poetry, and love stories across history. With two, our imagination would have doubled, twin symbols of mystery, of fate, of destiny, lovers swearing by the two moons. Warriors painting their banners with twin crescents, nations fighting wars not for land but for which moon they claimed as their own. Now picture the future. Humanity under two moons. Nights never truly dark, two glowing lanterns guiding the way, spaceports not launching to the moon, but scheduling routes between twin worlds. Entire economies built on mining, tourism, and science across to celestial neighbors, and above it all. Earth would no longer be a planet with one companion, it would be a world with two guardians. Two rivals, two eternal companions in the sky. But with that beauty comes fragility. Two moons mean twice the chance for a catastrophe, twice the risk of orbital chaos, of collisions, of falling skies. Earth's destiny would be bound not to one, but to two unpredictable partners. So, what if Earth had two moons? Our world would be more violent, more unstable, more dangerous, but also more beautiful, more inspiring, more filled with wonder. Humanity would live under skies that told us, every night, that we are part of a universe far grander than we can imagine. One moon gave us tides, stability, and dreams. Two moons might have given us chaos, but also, perhaps, a destiny among the stars.